Hello folks and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about 5 different ways to make passive income. We'll briefly cover how hard it is to start them, how difficult it is to earn money from them, and how hard it is to maintain them once started. Naturally, it will take time and in some cases years to build up to thousands of dollars per month in passive income. Therefore, don't expect to reach those levels when you first start out. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor and any information given in this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Results are not guaranteed and any business or investment opportunity contains risk. Also, there is no quick road to wealth. You have to work at it daily. Therefore, if you're seeking a get-rich-quick plan, you simply cannot find one. But let's get started with the video I wish I had when I first began my path to financial independence many years ago. 1. Investing in stocks and shares. Getting started in this is fairly simple. You find a stockbroker you like, such as Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, etc., open an account, and then they take the money you give them and invest it in different companies and entities, index funds, mutual funds, etc., thus making you a shareholder. Then you earn money from the dividends they pay you or those shares gain value over time and then you sell them for a profit. It's fairly easy to earn money from investing, but will take time using compound interest to build up to a sizable monthly income. And it's fairly easy to maintain as long as you keep up with the proper taxes and use an accountant. Just keep dumping money into it, and over time it grows. Like planting seeds, you can expect a harvest if conditions are right. 2. A YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is very easy. Visit youtube.com, open an account, record videos with your phone, then upload them to YouTube to publish. Simple, right? Depends. You must produce quality videos that contain value and can retain your audience's attention. Be informative, educational, view things from your viewer's perspective and focus on improving over time, and you'll get there. Upload your videos, learn what works, then focus in on uploading those type videos, ones your audience want to see. Then you will grow. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 or more watch time hours in the last 365 days, then you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and then monetize your channel with ads. And there are many other ways to earn money from your channel. Just do good research and implement those plans to earn more than just ad revenue from it. To maintain it is fairly easy but can be time consuming. Once started and growing, you must continue to produce quality videos, grow your audience, and keep your channel up to date. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing refers to the practice of reselling another person's goods while earning a cut of the proceeds. Getting started is pretty easy. All you have to do is join an affiliate network like Amazon Associates. I believe that Amazon's affiliate network is the largest in the world. Once you've created your unique links, you may share them on your website, Twitter, or other social networking platforms. And you'll get a percentage of the sales if people use your link to purchase the product or, in fact, any product on Amazon. However, you must drive a lot of traffic to those links, as normally only a small percentage of clicks on links convert to sales, depending. So in order to earn a good monthly income, lots of folks have to see your links, wherever you have them posted. The good news is that once you start earning from affiliates, it's actually pretty simple to keep doing so, especially if you have evergreen content, which is stuff that people may search for a long time and isn't dependent on current events or the most recent news. Once you've built it up, it's out there for years to come producing income. 4. Selling digital goods. These are items that you generate only once, such as an ebook, download, app, or something similar. You can develop it once and sell it several times over on many platforms. Getting started is easy, but earning good money can be difficult at times, and will take time. You must have the solutions to folks' problems that they are willing to pay for. However, once built up and out there, it's out there for years earning you a passive income. Do your research and make good, evergreen content that sells. 5. Building an app, software, or website that you can sell. Building an app, website, or other software product that you can sell as a one-off or, more likely these days, as a subscription service is idea number 5 for creating passive revenue. Software as a service is a name for an entire category of stuff. You can find literally hundreds of examples of people who have created software businesses that generate passive income on the website indiehackers.com. They disclose their revenue figures, explain how they got started, and offer advice. So, Although it can provide you a very significant monthly income, setting up a system centered around an app, website, or software product requires a lot of work. Can be difficult to build up and to generate a lot of sales, but again, over time the revenue can add up to a handsome monthly income. If you enjoy this video and want to learn more, check out the other videos I have posted. Also, do your research completely on any business idea you're contemplating. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So long for now.